Yo, what's up, guys? International O back at it. I just wanted to show you guys a couple of Black Friday deals that I picked up. One being, I got this I got a giveaway for y'all too. You guys stay tuned in to the end of the video to see the giveaway. First and foremost, before anything, thesneakertribune.com. You know the website. Go there. You definitely gonna have to go there for this giveaway anyway. Stay tuned. But here we have it. I have a puffer jacket. That's the thing now. It's funny because back then I never liked these jackets. Like they had the ones that looked almost like patent leather or something, and I hated them. But I saw this one. I like this one. I like the material. I actually got this jacket from Aeropostale for $29.99. It was regular price $80. I got it for $29.99. You can see has the Aeropostale tag here. But yeah, pretty cool deal. They had solid color ones. They had a blue, a black, and a red. But I wanted this one. I like this one. I can rock more with it. For me, my style. Next, we have, I actually got a cap too from the hundreds, but it's not here yet. But I want to go ahead and get this video out the way. Next up, I have this is from Soul Premise. Shout out to Soul Premise. Speaking of Soul Premise, a giveaway. All right, let's get this thing open. Jesus Christ, they taped the heck out of this. Shout out to Soul Premise for the tape, making sure nothing happened to it. Yes. Waist bag, chest bag, whatever you want to call it. I wear it across my chest. I don't really wear these on my waist. Not my wave, not my style. Chest bag for me. Shout out to the good people at Soul Premise. They had a Black Friday deal, 40% off. This was normal price, I think $79, but they had the 40% off sale. So I got the waist bag, man. This leather on here is so nice, man. I like the material on here. As you can see, it has the zippers. Shit, it has 4 zippers. So it's like side pockets, pockets on the side, pockets in the middle. And man, it got you right. They got you right. I have 3 chest bags now. I have a North Face official brand, Soul Premise. Soul Premise get you right. You can see they got the SP on there, here on the bag. Shout out to the good people at Soul Premise. It's not a paid ad. I didn't team up with them for this giveaway. This is just me giving this away because I bought this from Soul Premise and I got the wrong bag. And instead of returning it and doing all that, I'm just gonna do a giveaway because I ended up finding another bag that I liked. So I'm just gonna do a giveaway. It's that time. Soul Premise commuter bag. There's SP on the back, SP right here. It's that time. So this is gonna be very simple. Also, as you can see here, I had to open it up for you guys. You could put some, if you want to put your shoes right there, you can put some shoes in there. Put your laptop in here. Has a compartment for your laptop. You know what I'm saying? Put your clothes in there, whatever your heart desires. But yeah, giveaway time. I'm gonna put the link in the description. It's simple. All you have to do for this bag is go to thesneakertribune.com. Go to the website. If you end up seeing a mobile version, go all the way down to the bottom, click view desktop version, because on the left hand side of the website there will be an email sign up where you subscribe to the website. You put your email in, hit email, hit subscribe, and you're signed up to get updates on post. So when you do that, your name will be entered into the drawing for this backpack. I will announce the winner, what's today, Tuesday? You'll probably be seeing this Wednesday, which is December 4th. So December 11th, I'll announce a winner. December 11th. I'll do a video and announce the winner December 11th for this backpack. So you got 7 days to sign up. for this backpack. Matter of fact, Monday. I'm gonna give it away Monday. That's 7 days. That's a long time. You don't need that many days. It's not a hard choice to go sign up. So Monday, what is today? Today is the 3rd. So that's what? The 10th, 9th, 9th. December 9th. Sign up. Monday. Picking the winner. December 9th. No ifs, ands, or buts. Sign up on the website. That's all you got to do. And you in there like swimwear without the chin hair. Follow us online. The Sneaker Tribune on Instagram. The Sneak Tribune on Twitter. Follow. Appreciate the follow. Appreciate the likes ahead of time. Subscribe. Hit that notification bell on this video as well. And until the next video, you guys be cool.